cartilage tissue.
How can I see behind the ears?
I can see.
Not trying to see.
For the other
Cartilage tissue. Cartilage tissue is a special tissue. What is means a special tissue? Okay. This tissue consists of three particles. One cell, two fiber, and three matrix. Okay? Matrix. What is the main cell? Chondro plus chondrocyte, chondroclast. Okay? Are you know about difference between plus and C? What is mean C? What is means plus?
The amount of extracellular.
Plus is unmature. This cell very active. But C is means mature. Mature, what's the means mature? Mature, unactive cell. This cell is resting cell. Okay? Very good. Osteoclast. What is means osteoclast? Osteoclast is a macrophage. What is the name macrophage in cartilage tissue? Chondroclast. Chondroclast is a macrophage for cartilage tissue. Okay? Okay? Very good. Fiber. Fiber consists of collagen, and collagen 2 and elastic fiber. Okay? All fibers is synthesized by chondroblast. Okay? Are you know about types collagen fiber? Consists of
They put chondrogen cell and chondroblast cell and chondrocyte cell.
no. Are you know about types collagen fiber? Collagen fiber divided to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 3 is a fiber. 2 is a fibril. And 4 and 5 is a protein. Okay? Very good. Matrix. Matrix consists of GAG. GAG. Are you know about this abbreviation GAG? Glycosaminoglycan. In cartilage tissue consists of chondroitin sulfate A, chondroitin sulfate B, chondroitin sulfate C. Okay? A, B, C. Very good. In body, we have 3 types cartilage. Why? Because we have 3 types fiber. This fiber is 4 type collagen. If you see this type, this is fibrocartilage. If you this type, this is hearing cartilage. If you this type, this is elastic cartilage. Okay? In body have 3 times. 3 times cartilage. 1. Hyaline. This cartilage have fibril. What is means fibril? Collagen type 2. Very good. And 2. Fibrocartilage. This type cartilage has a collagen fiber. This type. Collagen fiber. Very good. Fibrocartilage. And 3. Elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage have a elastic fiber. Very good. Elastic cartilage. Example. Pinna. Pinna have elastic cartilage. Very good. Fibrocartilage. Example. This between vertebra. Okay? Bone. And bearing cartilage. Bearing cartilage. Example. This is thorax. Have a sternum. Have rib. This rib bone jointed to a sternum by bearing cartilage. Okay? Very good. Very good. This is a structure. This is structure of cartilage. Very good. Cartilage tissue haven't capillary, haven't nerve fiber. This tissue covered by perichondrium. What is means perichondrium? Perichondrium is a regular dense connective tissue. A regular dense connective tissue. Are you know about this structure histology? Regular dense connective tissue?
Yes.
What it means?
The pattern of collagens are parallel. The fibers are parallel.
This tissue consists of bundle, collagen, regular, bundle, no fiber, bundle collagen, regular. Okay, this is perichondrium. This is perichondrium. This is perichondrium. Perichondrium is a regular dense connective tissue. This tissue consists of fibers, consists of cells and matrix. What is the name cells? Okay, these cells here. Cells consist of surface cells, intermediate cells, and deep cells. 3 types cells you can see in the structure of histology perichondrium. This cell consists of surface cell. Very good. Intermediate cell. Very good. And deep cell. Deep cell, yes. This is the perichondrium here. Perichondrium consists of surface cell, intermediate cell, and deep cell. All cells is observed to nucleus form. Nucleus only. Nucleus in surface, nucleus in intermediate, nucleus in deep. What is different between nucleus? Only place. Place in surface, place in intermediate, place in deep. Okay? Surface cell, intermediate cell, and deep cell. Or. Yes, or. What is this? This is fibroblast-like surface cell. What is it? This is mesenchymal-like intermediate cell. What is it? This is chondroblast-like deep cell. Deep cell or chondroblast-like, intermediate or mesenchymal-like, surface cell or fibroblast-like. Okay? Very good. Cartilage has symmetrical structure. Why? Symmetrical structure, yes. Perichondrium cells in symmetrical structure of cartilage type cell consists of fibroblast-like, very good. Mesenchymal-like, very good. Chondroblast-like, very good. And this chondroblast, chondroblast-like, mesenchymal-like, and fibroblast-like. 5 types cells is observed in histological structure in cartilage. Okay? This is a cartilage. This is a matrix of cartilage. And this is lacuna. You can see nucleus in lacuna. Lacuna is a space, very, very clear. Okay? You can see in a space nucleus. What is the name of this nucleus? If you see this nucleus below perichondrium, this is chondroblast. If you see in middle of matrix, cartilage. This nucleus, what is the name? Chondrocyte. Okay. Chondroblast. Chondrocyte. Chondrocyte. Chondroblast. Chondroblast line. Fibroblast line. Mesenchymal line. Very good. What is types cartilage? This is, yes. This is hyaline cartilage. Why? You cannot see in matrix fiber. You cannot see. Okay? Collagen type 2 isn't observed by light microscope. Okay? This is hyaline cartilage. Very good. This is hyaline cartilage. Yes. Hyaline cartilage in vestibular nasal cavity. Okay? Nasal cavity in this part. Hyaline cartilage. Okay? Very good. Very good. Continues. This is skeletal bone. Okay? All skeletal bone joined by cartilage tissue. Very good. In this part, you can see hyaline cartilage. Very good. In this part, fibrocartilage. Okay? Very good. In structure trachea, you can see cartilage. What is the name this time? Hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage in the structure of trachea. Okay? This is the trachea. Very good.
External ear also.
External.
Elastic cartilage.
In this part. Okay? Pinna. Okay? Pinna.
Elastic cartilage.
Okay?
Yes.
Elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage. Very good. What is this? This is matrix. This is the matrix of cartilage. What is this? This is a lacuna. What is this? This is a nucleus. Chondrocyte or chondroblast. Okay? What is the difference between nucleus, blast, and cyte by light microscope? Light microscope. Blast have a clear basophil stem. Cyte have a dense basophilic color. Okay? Dense, clear. Blast, clear. Dense, cyte. Okay? Why? Because this cyte is immature. Okay? This nucleus inactive. Blast is inactive. Okay? This nucleus very, very active. This nucleus have a clear basophil stem. Okay? Are you know about difference between dense and clear? Clear is show blast. Dense is show cyte. Okay? Very good. Very good. Type of cartilage. Okay? What is this hyaline cartilage? What is this elastic cartilage? What is this fibrocartilage? Why? Because I can see bundle of collagen. Bundle of collagen. Bundle of collagen. This structure is observed in disc between vertebral bone. Okay? Only. Okay? Only. Very good. Please change.
هذيك الزرقاء ذيك هذيك الخانة الفوق.
What is this? This is the hyaline cartilage. Okay? Today, in laboratory, we study one type of cartilage. What is name? Hyaline cartilage. Example to this form. Okay? You must use number 4 and number 10 lens objective. Okay? Only. When you see by light microscope, you can see to this 4. Okay? Covered by perichondrium. Why? Because this structure have a symmetrical structure. Covered by perichondrium. Perichondrium is a proper connective tissue. tissue? Yes. Special connective tissue? No. Proper connective tissue. Cartilage special. Okay? This is proper connective tissue. Ordinary connective tissue. Okay? This connective tissue consists of cell and fiber and matrix. What is the name cell? Three types cell is observed by light microscope. Surface, intermediate, and deep. Surface, intermediate, and deep. What is the name surface cell? Fibroblast light. Intermediate, mesenchymal light. Deep, chondroblast light. Very good. Below of this part, you can see nucleus. What is the name? This is chondroblast. You can see lacuna. And in lacuna, you can see nucleus. What is the name of this nucleus? Chondrocyte. Very good. Here the structure is repeated. Chondrocyte, chondroblast, chondroblastoid, mesenchymal light, and fibroblast light. Okay? This is a cartilage. What is the name time? This is a hyaline cartilage. Why? I cannot see fiber in matrix. I cannot see elastic fiber in matrix. I cannot see bundle of fiber in matrix. Okay, very good. We must choose. Okay, diagnosis fibrin. Yes, but this microscope, light microscope, cannot show this type of fibrin. Okay? Okay? Continuous. What is this? This is yes. Cartilage. Very good. This is a cartilage. This is perichondrium. Lacuna. Osto. Chondroblast. Chondrocyte. Very good. This is a matrix. Look at this picture. Very good. Around the lacuna. Around the lacuna is a dense basophil. Very good. Between lacuna.
No,
Sit down. Sit down.
no.
Sit down, please. Please. Back. Back.
Okay.
Look at this. Look at this. This is
Make
the
it bigger,
lacuna.
make it bigger.
This is the lacuna. Clear space. Name lacuna. Very good. Around the lacuna, you can see dense basophil. Yes. But between lacuna, in this part, clear basophil. What is the difference between in this part and in this part? Very good. What is the name of this part? This is territory zone. Territory zone, yes. This protein is a new secret. Okay? This protein ancient secret. Okay? This is very, very dense basophil. This is very, very clear basophil. Okay? Very good. What is this? This is cartilage. What is the name type? Cartilage. Hyaline cartilage. Why? I cannot see fiber in matrix. Very good. Ready? Repeat. Very good. Oh, very good. What is it? It is hyaline cartilage. Why? Because you cannot see fiber in matrix.
0.5.
You cannot see. Okay, this is hyaline cartilage. Covered by perichondrium. Covered by perichondrium. Perichondrium is a regular dense connective tissue. Okay, it's the bundle collagen. Very good. You can see in this part nucleus, and in this part nucleus, and in this part nucleus. Three types nucleus is observed in the structure of perichondrium. Okay? Perichondrium have a three-type cell. surface cell or fibroblast blood, intermediate cell or mesenchymal blood, deep cell or chondroblast blood. Okay? The below of perichondrium, you have nucleus. Okay? This nucleus is named chondroblast, covered by lacuna. Okay? In middle, you can see in middle nucleus. Okay, what is the name? This is chondroblast, covered by lacuna. Yeah. And repeat the structure: chondrocyte, chondroblast, chondroblast line, mesenchymal line, and fibroblast. Okay? When you see matrix of cartilage tissue, you can see around the double lacuna and between of lacuna you can see a stain. Okay? This stain different in around and between. Very good. What is the name around the stain? Around the stain in nucleus? Around the lacuna. What is the name? This is it. Teratorism. Okay? Teratorism. Okay? Very good. Please change. Very good. What is it? Is it elastic cartilage? What is it? Is it pinna? Okay? Auricle, or pinna. Okay? In a structure of auricle, in a structure of pinna, you can see elastic cartilage. Why? Look at this. Okay? Okay? Why elastic cartilage? Lacuna, chondrocyte, teratorism, and between the matrix, and you can see in this part elastic cartilage. Okay? Please change. Very good. What is this? The structure of cartilage. Please change. This is a disc. Okay? The structure of disc. This is a fibrocartilage. Very good. Why? Because this cartilage consists of bundle collagen, and chondrocyte, the chondrocyte, and around the lacuna, covered by lacuna. Okay? Please change. Very good, very good. This is fibrocartilage. Okay? This is a bundle. Please change. Very good. This is the vertebral bone. Between two vertebral bones, you can see in this part, disc. Okay? This covered by perichondrium. Very, very thin. Very thin. Okay? This covered by thin perichondrium. This cartilage divided into two parts. Peripheral, central. Okay? Peripheral, central. Peripheral have a fibro structure. Okay? Annulus fibrosa. Central have a mucosa connective tissue. Mucosa connective tissue, what it means? Mucosa connective tissue consists of matrix, very low fiber, very low cells, okay? Very increased matrix, okay? You can see in this part. Annulus pulposa or centella, okay? Annulus fibrosa or peripheral, okay? Disc divided two parts, peripheral, central. Peripheral, full of fiber, annulus fibrosa. Close your mouth.
Raise it down.
All air is full of micro.
I don't know which ID.
Go. Annulus pulposa, annulus fibrosa. Okay? Fibrosa full of fiber. Central, full of mucosa tissue. Okay? What's the means mucosa tissue? Mucosa tissue is ordinary connective tissue. consists of matrix, fiber very large, cell very large. Full out matrix. Okay? Please change. Please change.
Sorry.
What is growth in cartilage tissue? Cartilage tissue can grow two parts. One peripheral and two central. Okay? In peripheral by chondroblast can grow. Okay? And in central yes, chondroblast can change to chondrocytes can change to chondroblast. Okay? And chondroblast secreted cartilage. Okay? Very good. Yes, chondrocyte can regressive change to chondroblast. All cells in connective tissue can change to primary cell. Okay? All connective tissue can regressive back to primary step. Okay? Primary step mesenchymal cell. And then fibroblast. And then chondroblast. And then chondrocyte. Okay? Chondrocyte can back. Chondroblast can back. Fibroblast can back. Mesenchymal. Why? Because this power only is observed in connective tissue. Only. Okay? Very good. Cartilage can grow by two parts. One, peripheral, two, central. Why? Because in peripheral you can see chondroblast. And two, central. Why? Because chondrocyte can change to back. Change to chondroblast and chondroblast secreted matrix of cartilage. Okay? Very good. Please change. Change. Very good. Two, bone. Bone and special connective tissue. Very good. Have you question? Have you question about this part? No? Very good. Very good. Bone. Very important in life. Why? Because this tissue have a storage. All particle food have a storage of particle food. Example, ions. Okay? Ions. Calcium, chloride, sodium, potassium. Okay? All ions is storage in tissue. Okay. This tissue cover bone marrow.
Yes, in the
Bone marrow. Yes. This tissue cover bone marrow. Bone marrow is formed of cells blood in body. All cells blood in body is observed only in a structure form. Okay, in a structure. Bone can afford space for organs of body. Okay, thorax, cover lung tissue, cover heart tissue. Okay, in this part, lumbar is formed space, cover intestinal, large and small. Okay? Pelvis, cover genital system, good, and urinary system in this part. Why bone tissue? Okay? Bone tissue is a special bone tissue in a special connective tissue. A special connective tissue, yes. A special connective tissue consists of cell, very good, fiber, mass. Okay? This special connective tissue, yes. Blood, bone, cartilage is a special connective tissue. Okay? Fatty tissue, loose alveolar connective tissue, elastic connective tissue, reticular connective tissue, fibro connective tissue. All these types connective tissue is a proper connective tissue. Okay? Okay? Connective tissue divided into two parts. Proper, special. Proper consists of dense connective tissue, reticular connective tissue, elastic connective tissue, loose alveolar connective tissue, adipose tissue divided into two parts, yellow and brown. Okay? A special connective tissue consists of blood, cartilage, bone. Okay? This is a bone. Bone consists of cell and fiber and mass. Okay? What is the name type cells in bone? Osteoblast. Very good. Osteocyte. Very good. Osteoclast. Very good. 1, 2, 3 type cells. Very good. Osteoclast. What it means osteoclast? Osteoclast is a macrophage in bone tissue. Very good. Chondroclast. Chondroclast is a macrophage for cartilage tissue. Very good. Monocyte. Monocyte is a macrophage for blood tissue. Okay? Blood tissue monocyte. Osteoclast bone. Chondroclast cartilage. Okay? Are you understand? Very good. Now, okay? Very slow. Osteoclast, chondroclast, monocyte, blood, chondroclast, cartilage, osteoclast, bone. Good. What is the name fiber? Fiber, collagen. What it means, this type of collagen? What it means? Collagen, what it means? Type 1. Okay. If you don't see criteria in front of this collagen, this is a type 1. Okay? Very good. Type 1. Matrix. In tissue, matrix consists of two parts. One, mineral, and 2, organic. Very good. Organic synthesis by osteoblast. Organic synthesis by osteoblast. What is type of particles? Organic. Osteocalcin. Osteocalcin is a protein jointed to calcium, iron calcium. Okay? Osteocalcin. Very good. Osteocalcin is a protein. This protein synthesis by osteoblast. Very good. What is functional osteocalcin? Osteocalcin is a protein jointed to iron calcium. Okay? Osteocalcin. Very good. Osteonectin. Osteonectin. Yes. Osteonectin is a protein. This protein secreted by osteoblast. Very good. This protein jointed to fiber. Okay? Jointed to fiber. Very good. Jointed to iron. Jointed to fiber. Very good. BMP, bone morphogenic protein. Bone morphogenic protein, yes. These proteins secreted by osteoblast have 2 bone is formed 2 types bone in body. This is flat bone, parietal, frontal bone, occipital bone. Okay, are formed different by this protein, bone morphogenic protein, or bone forming protein. Bone forming protein. Okay? Very good. Are these parts synthesis by osteoclasts? Now osteoblasts. Mineral component come to body by food. Come to body by food. Okay? Consists of PO4, phosphorus, PO4, yes, PO4, iron, calcium, very good, Fe, iron, okay, fluoride, chloride, okay, all minerals come to body by food, okay. This mineral is formed to crystal. What is the name of this crystal? Hydroxyapatite. PO4, CrOH. What is the name of this component? What is the name of this? This, yes, hydroxyapatite. Hydroxyapatite is formed to crystal. It's formed to crystal. It's formed to rod. Okay? To rod. Crystal. What is the name of this component? What is the name? This is hydroxyapatite. Consists of Cr, PO4, and OH. Okay? Hydroxyapatite. All parts come to body by food. Okay? Very good. All parts organic synthesis by osteoblasts. Very good. Consists of 1, osteocalcin, and 2, osteolectin, and 3, bone forming protein, or bone morphogenic protein. Okay? These protein have 2. Okay. That's very good. Okay. Very good. Very good. What is the name? What is the name? Unit of body.
Cell.
Very good. Cell. Unit. Okay.
Functional cell.
A structure. Unit structure of body. What is the name? Cell. Okay. In bone have a unit. What is the name unit? The structure of bone tissue. Haversian system. Or what? Please change. Haversian system is a unit structure of bone tissue. Come here. Hello. How are you? Our cell system, yes, consists of 1 cell, yes, osteoblast, very good, osteoblast, cell. 2, lamella consists of collagen, very good. 3, yes, lacuna. 4, yes, canaliculi. 5. 5, yes. Centralna. 6. Wall, man, casa. Our cell system consists of cells, lamella, lacuna, canaliculi, central canal, Volkmann canal. All parts is formed our cell system. Very good. Please change. Oh, no, back. Very good. Change. Okay. What is this? This is a cell. Cell, yes. What is the name of this cell? Osteoblast. Osteoblast, yes. This is osteoblast. Osteoblast is a secretory protein. How do you know about the structure of secretory cell? How do you know? Please say. That's very good. This cell have very active. Why? Because this cell have Golgi apparatus, very active. This cell have RDR, very good. This cell have granules. Golgi apparatus is provide 3 type granule. Okay, 1 granule secretory exit of cell. Okay, 1 granule is the food for cell. Okay, 1 granule is differentiation 2 type of organelle cell. Okay, these cells have very active for secreted protein. These cells have processing cytoplasm. Okay, these are processing cytoplasm. The processing cytoplasm. Okay, processing. Okay, processing of cytoplasm. Podocyte. Okay, the podocyte processing of cells. Okay, else name canaliculi. Else name canaliculi. 1 cell have canaliculi. What is means canaliculi? Canaliculi is a type of processing or podocyte. Okay, very good. 1 cell joined to 1 cell by canaliculi. 1 cell joined to 1 cell by canaliculi. Okay, when 2 cells joined, what is the name? What is the name type of junctional cell? What is the name? Type of, very good. Type junction, adherence junction, desmosome junction, gap junction, hemidesmosome junction. Okay, in this part, when Q processing of cytoplasm, 1 cell, joins the 2 processing cytoplasm, 1 cell by junctional cell. What is the name junctional cell between 2 processing cytoplasm? Gap junction. Okay? Gap junction. Very good. What is the name this processing of cytoplasm? Canaliculi. Canaliculi.
Is it in Persian, sir? Canaliculi.
Canaliculi.
Is it Persian? Farsi?
Farsi zayede.
Canaliculi.
Canaliculi and zabaete. Processing. Podocyte. Okay? Very good. This cell, this is a cell. Okay? This is a cell. This cell joins to this cell. Why? Canaliculi. This is a canaliculi. This is a canaliculi. This is a canaliculi. Are you understand canaliculi?
Yes.
Canaliculi is the processing of cytoplasm cell. Okay? Very good. When you see this picture, this is very, very regulate form. Why? But our cells is regular Very good. This is collagen fiber. Very good. This is osteoblasts. Very good. This is canaliculi. Very good. The canaliculi is canaliculi, osteoblast or osteocyte, and this is lamella. Lamella. What is means lamella? Lamella is a collagen fiber. Very good. Very good. Please check. Very good. Please check. This is a lamella. 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 Please check. Very good. What is this? This is the form. Yes. Please look at this structure. Upper. Upper. When you upper, when you see our upper, upper, this is circular, circular form, okay? Circular form. When you lateral, look, when you lateral to this form. When you upper to this form, okay? This is a Haversian system. Please change. When you see upper, this is central canal, central canal. This is lamella, 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 and around the locus, lacuna, lacuna, and what is this? This is canaliculi, this is canaliculi. And what is this? This is osteoblast or osteocyte. Very good, very good. This is Haversian system, this is Haversian system. Okay, Haversian system consists of circular form of lamella. When you upper, look at the structure. Okay, when you lateral to this form. Okay, to this form. To this form. Okay. These four Haversian system. Simple antenna of radio. Okay? Peripheral. Very, very increased diameter. Central. Very, very small diameter of circular. Okay? This Haversian system. When you see upper to this one, when you see lateral. Very good. This is a Haversian system. What is this? This is what is this? This is lamella. Lamella. Okay? Very good. Lamella. And you can see space. What is this? What is the name space? Is very clear. Okay? This is lacuna. Lacuna, yes. Lacuna. Lacuna is a chamber for cell. Lacuna is a chamber for cell. Okay? Very good. Cell to this part, to this part, to this part. You can see nucleus. Nucleus, yes. Yes, nucleus. Very good, nucleus. What is different? Nucleus in lacuna in peripheral and lacuna in central. This is the central canal. Central canal, yes, central canal. Central canal, this is central canal. Central canal, yes. What is different between nucleus near to central canal and nucleus in peripheral of our cell system? This is osteocyte. This is osteoblast. Okay? Osteoblast. This difference between type cell is show a activator. Activated, yes. Central Haversian canal, central Haversian canal is a new lamella. Peripheral, ancient lamella. Okay? Different between two parts. Is a new and this part. What is the nucleus in this part? This is, yes, osteoblast. This is osteocyte. Good. Very good. Ulcer connection. One canaliculi. Canaliculi. Oh, very good. Ulcer connection by canaliculi. Yes. Look at this picture. Canaliculi. Canaliculi. Okay. Cell. Lamella. Canaliculi. Central canal. Walkman canal. Yes. Very good. You see? Vertical canal. Vertical canal to central canal. Vertical canal to central canal. What is the name? Walkman canal. Walkman canal. Walkman canal here to reserve. Here to reserve continues to central canal. Okay? And in this part, by Walkman canal continues to else Haversian system. Okay? Haversian system have wizard. Walkman canal, this wizard continues to Haversian system and then exit and go to else Haversian system. Okay? Are you understand? Yes. Very good. This is Haversian system schematic. This is the Haversian system schematic. Okay? This is the Haversian system. Very, very good. Good picture. It is that. This is Haversian system. This is a wizard. Wizard of outer bone tissue continues to this tissue. Okay? And branches go to Walkman canal. Walkman canal continues to central canal and then go to Walkman canal and go to central canal of Haversian system in inner. Okay? This is inner Haversian system. This is outer Haversian system. Very good. This is the Haversian system. Haversian system has a lamella. It's a lamella. Okay? Inner lamella is different angles to outer lamella. Okay? Outer lamella at an angle. Okay? Inner at an angle. Okay? All angles have a different peripheral to central. Okay? This is the Haversian system. This is the Haversian system. Very good. Haversian system. Repeat. Haversian system consists of cell, osteoblasts, osteocytes, and sugar, lacuna, and tree, lamella, and four, canaliculi, and five, central canal, and six, Walkman canal. All parts is formed Haversian system. Okay. Very good. Please look at it. In body, bone, divided two parts. In body, bone, divided two parts. In body, bone, divided two parts. If is a bone is formed, Haversian system is bone is mature bone. Okay? Is a bone. Is a bone. Consists of Haversian system is named mature bone. If a bone isn't synthesis by Haversian system, this bone is a unnatural bone. Unnatural bone. What is different between structural histology, natural bone and unnatural bone? Natural bone have Haversian system. Unnatural haven't Haversian system. Haven't? Yes. This bone consists of only fiber, cell, matrix, cell without form, fiber without form. Very good. What is the name place? What is the name place of body have unnatural bone? Very good. Unnatural bone. Structural school. When you touch your fontanelle, you must chew your brain. This is unnatural bone. Unnatural bone. When you touch bilingual, the lingual tissue, your teeth, okay, these teeth jointed to maxilla bone by alveolar bone. Alveolar bone is an unnatural bone. Head to teeth jointed to mandible and maxilla bone. Alveolar bone, this is unnatural bone. Why? Because this bone, this type of bone, haven't our system. Very good. And attachment, ligament, attachment ligament, and part, ligament, attachment, to bone. Okay? To bone. Okay? This is a muscle. This muscle jointed to bone by ligament. Okay? This ligament jointed to bone. Between ligament and bone, you can see unnatural bone. Okay? Three part of the body is observed. Unnatural bone. One, skull, such. Two, oral. Jointed teeth too. Bone, mandible and maxilla. Okay? And the end of ligament jointed to bone. Between end of ligament and bone, you can see unnatural bone. Okay? This is unnatural bone? Yes. Why? Because I cannot see Haversian system in structure. Good. You can see one fiber, two cells, three matrices without form. Without form. Okay? Natural bone. Natural bone has two parts. All bones in body, all bones. Thorax. Okay. Pelvis. Okay. Femur. Okay. Finger bone. All bones in body is formed by natural bone. Natural bone divided two parts. Compact bone, very good. Compact bone. Massive bone divided into what? Compact bone, spongy bone. What is means compact bone? What is means a spongy bone? Very good. If you see this bone is regular Haversian system, this is compact bone. Regular Haversian system. Regular Haversian system. Regular Haversian system means compact bones. Spongy bone. Irregular Haversian system. Irregular Haversian system, yes, irregular Haversian system. Spongy bone. Okay? This is regular. This is regular Haversian system. Regular Haversian system. Okay? Regular. This irregular Haversian system. Okay? What is different between irregular and regular? Irregular is bad form. Okay? Regular is good form. Okay? Regular form. This is compact bone. This is a spongy bone. What is different between two types? This regular, this irregular. Okay? Spongy bone, yes. Irregular Haversian system. Okay. Compact bone, regular Haversian system. Very good. Okay? All bones in body. All bones in body have symmetrical structure. All bones, yes. This is a bone. This is a bone, yes. This is a long bone. Long bone. Example 7. Or a small bone. Example finger. Okay? This is a bone. Okay? This bone has symmetrical structure. Okay? Symmetrical structure. In middle of bone, you have bone marrow. Bone marrow. Are you now about bone marrow? Yes. Very good. In this part of bone, you have bone marrow. In junior, you have red bone marrow. In senior, you have yellow bone marrow. Okay? You have yellow bone marrow. This is a symmetrical structure. One bone has symmetrical structure. Very good. One bone has peripheral, central. Central, peripheral. Okay? Peripheral, central. Central, peripheral. Between central, you have bone marrow. Between central, you have bone marrow. Okay? All bones in body, you have in peripheral compact bone, in central a spongy bone. Repeat. This is a long bone. Okay? Long. One bone has a symmetrical structure. This is symmetrical structure. Between one part and one part, you have middle. You have in middle bone marrow. Bone marrow. Okay? In peripheral, central, bone marrow, central, bone marrow, peripheral. Okay? All bones in body. In peripheral, you can see compact. In central, a spongy bone. A spongy bone near to bone marrow. Compact bone near to peripheral of bone. Okay? Compact bone near to peripheral. A spongy bone near to central. Okay? Very good. Very good, very good, very good. All bones in body covered by two membranes. Covered by two membranes. All bones. Very good. body covered by two membranes. Very good. Interferal covered by periosteum. Very good. In central covered by endosteum. Endosteum. In a structure of one bone, you can see peripheral, central. In middle of bone marrow. Between bone marrow and central, endosteum. Peripheral, periosteum. Okay? Endosteum covered. Spongy bone. Periosteum covered. Peripheral bone. Compact bone. Okay? What is different between membranes? Membrane name. A spongy bone covered by endosteum. Okay? A spongy bone covered by endosteum. Okay? Peripheral bone covered by periosteum. Okay? Very good. This is a bone. Peripheral, compact bone. Central, a spongy bone. This is a spongy bone. Irregular rotation system. This is a compact bone. Very good. A spongy bone covered by endosteum. Okay? Compact bone covered by periosteum. Very good. Covered by periosteum. Okay? Peripheral, periosteum. Central, endosteum. A spongy bone covered by endosteum. Compact bone covered by periosteum. Very good. What is different? A structure histology between endostal and periosteum. Endostem, one layer. Endosteum, one layer, yes. This is dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue, yes. Regular dense connective tissue. Very good. Consists of osteogenic cell. Very good. Osteoclast cell. Very good. Osteoclast cell. Oh, endosteum. Repeat. Endosteum is a one layer stone. Okay? Endosteum is a regular dense connective tissue. Very good. Endosteum consists of cells. What is the name type of cells in endosteum? Osteogenic cell, osteoclast, okay? Osteogenic cell, osteoblast, osteoclast. Go to periosteum. Periosteum divided two parts. Inner outer, yes. Look at this picture. Inner outer, yes. Inner outer. Two layer. Endostal, one layer. Periosteum, two layer. Periosteum, two layer. Endostal, one layer. Okay? Periosteum, two layer, yes. Inner, outer. Inner, what this means inner? Or, inner, or. Inner, cells, layer. Outer, fibrosa layer. Okay. Inner, cells, layer. Outer, fibrosa layer. Full of fiber. Outer, full of fiber. Very, very loud cells. Inner, full of cells, very, very loud fiber. Okay. What is the name cells in layer? Only osteogenic cell. Okay, periostal. Periostal, color compact bone, outer. Periostal, color peripheral of bone. Okay, periostal divided two parts. Inner, outer. Inner or cells layer. Outer or fibers layer. What is the name cells in part? Osteogenic. Osteogenic cell, osteogenic. Only. Are you understand? Difference between endos and perios? Very good. Repeat. Okay. This is a spongy one because this part is central structure of bone. What is this? Compact bone. Why? Because this part peripheral of a structure bone. Very good. Central structure of bone covered by endostal peripheral or compact bone covered by periostal. Periostal is two layers divided two parts. Inner, outer. Inner is a cell layer. Outer is a fiber layer. What is mean fiber layer? Full of fiber. Inner cells layer. What is mean cells layer? Full of osteogenic cells. Okay? This is periostal. This is okay. This is endostal. Very good. Please attention to my name. I want to go born school. Okay? Born school. One, periostal. School. One, periostal. Okay? Compact bone. A spongy bone. Endostal. Bone marrow. Endostal. A spongy bone. Compact bone. Perios. Come on. Okay? This is a school. Okay? Bone of pelvis. Okay? Good. Periostal. Compact. Spongy bone. Endostal. Bone marrow. Endostal. A spongy bone. Compact. Periostal. Goodbye. What is different between two types? Different is scular. Different is pelvis. What is different structure?
Compact bone is big.
This is very, very tight. Why? Full of compact bone.
Yes. The second.
But this, very, very loose. Why? Full of spongy bone. Okay? Repeat. Scular.
Yes.
Periostal. Compact bone. Spongy bone. Endostal. Bone marrow. Endostal. Spongy bone. Compact bone. Perios. Goodbye, scular. Go to bed. Hello, pelvis bone. Hello, come. Periostal. Compact bone. Spongy bone. Woo. Endos. Bone marrow. Endostal. Spongy bone. Compact periostal. Full of spongy. Very, very loose bone. Full of compact. Very, very tight bone. Okay? What is different between two types of bone? One bone full of compact bone. One bone full of spongy bone. This bone very, very weak. Very, very loose. Okay? Okay? 5 minutes back. 5 minutes. 10.